Our second exercise is strum, mute, lift. Once again, I make the C major chord, and what I'm going to do this time is strum it, mute it. I'm going to lift my fingers up a centimeter and put them back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. It is ultra robotic and it can be ultra boring, but this is the best way to practice, just with consistently pumping out. If you play that entire progression, C, and then you swap G, and then A minor, and then everyone's favorite chord, the F chord, that might take you anywhere between 15 to 20, maybe even 30 seconds, 10 finger push-ups on each chord and 10 strum mute lifts. But what you need to do is punch out 10 strum mute lifts on the C chord, strum it, mute it, lift it, back down, strum it, mute it, lift it, back down, and then 10 on the G chord. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down, strum it, mute it, lift it, back down.